Configuring user roles. While user type group permissions are related to the DMS system, user roles are related to permissions within a template or document. To access the User Role Manager, click the User Roles submenu under the Administration main menu. The user roles are split into two sections, Document Type and Document Permissions. There are a number of built-in roles that have pre-configured permissions. These roles can be copied but they cannot be deleted. To add a new role, right-click either the internal or external user node, then click Add Role, or click the Add button. After clicking the Add button, enter a role name, select if it is an internal or external role, then click Add. After creating a new role, the first thing to do is select which type of role it will be, a template or a document role. The permissions will change depending on which role is selected. When creating a role, all the permissions will be turned off, which means no access, so we need to go through and select the permissions. The first thing to do is to select the document type permissions. Document types are selected when creating a new template or document. These permissions allow the user to have full or restricted editing permissions in the document, approve a document, and to send, receive and action comments. For more information on each document type permission, please read the user role section in the online help file. Next are the document management and general option permissions. These permissions give access to non-editing functions in a template or document. These permissions are also covered in more detail in the online help file. External user roles are added in exactly the same way, however the external user has less permissions. Finally, clicking the internal user node will show Creator default roles. These roles are automatically assigned to the user who creates the template or document. This means that different roles can be assigned, depending on which type of document is created. The last selection, the default role for new approval users, is slightly different. This selector assigns the default role for approvers on documents that require approval routing. Even though all of these selections are set as default roles, they can be changed during document creation. Now the new user role has been created, it can be assigned to users when creating new templates or documents. It can also be assigned to any user that already has a role in the document, either by using the User Manager window in the template or document, or from the Overview section in the Dashboard document list. It can also be selected as a default role by editing the user profile.